Good morning, friends. This is your own Dr. ddSwain, professor, motivational speaker, and a best-selling author. Post COVID-19, you can become a billionaire in a span of 3 years by doing these 7 businesses. Please watch this video very carefully from beginning to end. And after this, immediately go and start your startup or involve yourself in any of the companies or collaborate or find out a venture capitalist to fund your ideas and start your business in any of the following 7 areas and you'll become a billionaire guaranteed. Now, this pandemic has created havoc in the entire world. 2.2 million people found positive in an entire world. And out of that, 2.5 lakhs people have lost their life. In India also, we have got 30,000 plus positive cases with 1,000 plus death. Thank God, thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, for taking serious action at the right moment. And that's how we have been able to limit this number to only 1,000 deaths. Now let's hope that this will help India in times to come. And this might be a message for the rest of the countries in the world to fight the pandemic COVID-19. And what are those 7 businesses? Before we go into those 7 businesses which you can start post COVID-19 to become a billionaire, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and put the bell icon. And at the end of the video, if you like the video, don't forget to share among your friends and relatives. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you must be excited to know what are those 7 businesses which will create billionaires post COVID-19. The first business which will make maximum billionaires in a span of 3 years post COVID-19 is the manufacturing of sanitizer, hand wash, face mask, respiratory mask, surgical gloves, PPE, personal protective equipments, safety goggles, and soap. People are really scared for their life. There are 2 solutions, and what are those? The first one is social distancing. The second one is have your hygiene. As per the media reports, the use of hand sanitizers, hand wash, face mask, gloves, safety goggles have shot up 400%. Before COVID-19, India used to consume 6 lakh masks in a month. But now the requirement has gone up to 2.2 million masks a month. And the price has shot up 300% for all these products. Now, if you want to be a billionaire, just start manufacturing masks, sanitizers, hand wash, gloves, safety goggles, and PPE kit. The global market for personal protective equipment kit is $60 billion in 2019. 22 lakhs are already suffering from COVID-19 and 2.5 lakh people have lost their life. And if you go to the market, not only in India, in the entire globe, people have started procuring all these instruments and start piling the stocks. And it has created a problem for the real health workers and frontline personnel because they are not getting all these protective equipments along with sanitizer and hand wash. So it's a great industry which is coming up and it will create many billionaires around the world. So ladies and gentlemen, just go ahead and start your venture right now. The second industry which will make you a billionaire in a span of 3 years post COVID-19 is the cleaning services industry. And if you talk about India, it's a highly unorganized and chaotic sector. Facilities management industry in India constitutes 16,500 crore. Now, more than skilled manpower, you need technology. So if you can start a startup with some kind of skilled manpower and very good technology, market is tremendous. And especially after this COVID-19, every office, every household, every educational institution need to clean and maintain hygienic atmosphere inside their campus. So it's a very good option to become a quick billionaire in this area. Start immediately your business in the area of cleaning services. The third industry which will make you a billionaire in a span of 3 to 5 years post-COVID-19 is the drones and CCTV industry. India banned the operation of drones in 2014 after that pizza delivery issue in Mumbai. But it cost a lot to India. Very interestingly, during this 2014 to 2018, a Chinese company known as DJI, founded by a Chinese student, have grown tremendously around the world, and they have captured 70% market in the world. Now their annual turnover is $2 billion and the net worth of the company is $15 billion. So that is a huge opportunity in the area of drones. Earlier, India was having NPNT, no permission, no takeoff rule. For that reason, companies are not able to fly their drones. But after December 1st, 2018, now you can fly it with certain conditions. One, you have to take permission from DGCA, you have to inform the local police, you have to register in Digital Sky, and you have to carry UIN number, unique identification number, which is a nameplate for your drone. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the third greatest opportunity you can have. Immediately start your business in the area of manufacturing drones, or you can collaborate with companies who are manufacturing drones and start your business, and you'll become a billionaire for sure. This is a huge market, though you have to keep a little patience. And with the introduction of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, it's unbelievable. This market will make and produce many billionaires around the world, and India is a great opportunity. And you might have seen during the lockdown, Indian police and other security personnel have used these drones to manage unruly crowd and the citizens also. The fourth industry which will make you billionaire post-COVID-19 is the e-commerce industry. And you might have seen recently, Amazon has given an advertisement to recruit 1 lakh people. Same with Flipkart and goes on. Recently, JioMart started its operation in collaboration with WhatsApp, that is Facebook, after Facebook acquired 9.9% stake in Reliance Jio by paying 45,700 crores. Now this market will become very, very lucrative, both e-commerce and e-commerce logistics, because after COVID-19, people will be very, very skeptical and they will stay very careful. So they will maintain social distance, and also they will not go to crowded places. So that's a great opportunity for e-commerce companies to reach households. Especially I'm talking about India. It's a great market. It will make you billionaire. Indian e-commerce industry will become $120 billion by the end of 2020. Great opportunity for all of you, ladies and gentlemen. You should immediately look into this industry. Either you start or you collaborate with others to carry on your aspirations of becoming a billionaire. Fifth industry which will make you billionaire post-COVID-19 is the industry of fitness. Everybody will try to stay fit to increase their immunity to fight these pandemics and diseases and viruses in times to come, because now people are really scared for their life. Exercise instruments will become very, very important for people in India in particular, around the world in general. So this will be a great industry. The sixth industry which will make you billionaire post-COVID-19 in India is the ready-to-cook food products, especially packaged foods. Why I'm telling this industry will make you a billionaire? Because many working people will avoid the way they used to take lunch and dinner in restaurants outside their home. Now they'll be going to prepare their food in home. And how long they will be going to spend time and prepare their food? So obviously they need the easy way and shortcuts and a healthy way as well. So you can start your startup or collaborate with another company and carry on with the distribution services in the area of ready to cook packaged foods. This will grow tremendously fast post COVID-19. So ladies and gentlemen, stay ready and start immediately the ready to cook packaged foods. This will make you billionaire in no time. The seventh business that will make you a billionaire is online education and coaching industry. Now in India, the education industry constitutes 144 billion US dollar, and the higher education is almost around 35 billion US dollar. The positive side of online education industry is India is the second largest online industry in the entire world behind USA. And the online education industry size in India is 5 billion US dollar. Recently, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, people are all indoors. Even companies have requested their employees to stay home, stay safe, and can work from home till July 31st. And that's a huge platform. India currently have 43% people access to internet. 560 million people have got internet facilities. And this will reach 900 millions in 2022. Second important point and positive point for you to start any business in online platform, especially in education arena, is 65% population is below 30 years of age. So that's a huge young demographic dividend who are ready to go for online education and coaching. This is an industry which will make you billionaire in 3 to 5 years time. So ladies and gentlemen, don't delay. Go ahead and start it. So these are the 7 businesses which will make you billionaire post COVID-19.